Here's what you need to know about what is a default gateway. This is an exam topic in Domain 1, Networking Concepts. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A default gateway is the IP address of the router that a device sends traffic to when the destination is outside its local network. Without a default gateway, a device can only communicate with other devices on the same subnet. The default gateway is usually the first usable IP address on a subnet. Key concept: gateway to other networks. When a device wants to reach an IP address on a different network, it sends the packet to the default gateway. The router then forwards it toward the correct destination. Key concept: how devices use it. A device checks if the destination IP is on its local subnet. If yes, it delivers directly. If no, it sends the packet to the default gateway to be routed onward. Key concept: assigned by DHCP or manual. DHCP automatically assigns a default gateway along with an IP address and subnet mask. On static setups, the administrator enters the gateway address manually. Key concept: wrong gateway breaks internet. If the default gateway is misconfigured or missing, the device can still talk to local hosts but cannot reach any external network, including the internet. Let's look at the full breakdown. Device IP: 192.168.1.50. Subnet /24. Local range: 192.168.1.0, 255. Default gateway: 192.168.1.1. Router's LAN IP: forwards traffic outside subnet. Remote server: 8.8.8.8. Outside local subnet, reached via default gateway. Here's a real-world example. Your laptop has the IP 192.168.1.50 and a default gateway of 192.168.1.1. When you visit google.com, your laptop sees the destination IP 142.250. XX is not on the 192.168. 1.0/24 subnet. It sends the packet to 192.168.1.1, your router, which forwards it to Google's servers on the internet. Quick recap before you go. 1. The default gateway is the router IP that handles traffic destined for other networks. 2. Devices check subnet membership before deciding to send to the gateway. 3. Assigned automatically by DHCP or configured manually on static setups. 4. A missing or wrong gateway prevents internet access but not local communication. 5. Usually the first or last usable IP in the subnet, for example, 192.168.1.1. That's what is a default gateway, covered. Exam tip: if a host can ping local IPs but not internet addresses, the default gateway is missing or wrong. This is a classic Network Plus troubleshooting scenario. Always check gateway config first. Next up, what is DNS? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.